Hello everyone, welcome to my channel KJ Technical Analysis. Today we discuss about cloud computing. First I will tell you what is cloud computing simply. Cloud computing is the delivery of computing services including servers, databases, networking, software, analytics, and intelligence over the internet to offer faster innovation, flexible resources, and economies of scale. Who created cloud computing? Cloud computing is believed to have been invented by Joseph Carl Robinett Licklider in the 1960s with his work on ARPANET to connect people and data from anywhere at any time. In 1983. Now I tell you who used this. Organizations of every type, size, and industry are using the cloud for a wide variety of use cases, such as data backup, disaster recovery, email, software development and testing, big data and analytics, and customer-facing work. The architecture of cloud computing is shown in this picture. You can easily understand. Some features of cloud computing are resources pooling, on-demand self-service, easy maintenance, large network access availability, automatic system, economical, security, pay-as-you-go and measured service.
Here are the four main types of cloud computing: 1 private clouds, 2 public clouds, 3 hybrid clouds, and 4 are multi-clouds. There are also 3 main types of cloud computing services: infrastructure as a service, platforms as a service, and software as a service.
Where cloud computing uses of the cloud include data storage, offering remote access to any work-related data. The role of cloud computing on a corporate level can be either for the in-house operations, or as a deployment tool for software or services the company develops for the public. Examples of cloud computing in real life used are messaging platforms, also include emails. Since your email information is stored in the cloud, you could access them on any computer. Skype and WhatsApp are also examples of cloud computing. Some advantages of cloud computing are cost-saving, flexibility, availability, reliability, unlimited storage, scalability, backup and restore data, automatic software update, performance. Thank you. If you like my video then subscribe my channel.